Oh hey buddy, what's up? Today, we're gonna make an intro to our Eggplane Group Build. Okay, but first, I gotta thank my brother Doug at Hensley's Hobbies for sending me this model. Thank you, brother. It's always nice when you get something in the mail that you wasn't expecting. Oh yeah. It's almost like Christmas. Jingle bells. So yeah, we appreciate that. Already got some ideas for it. So go ahead, check out Doug over at Hensley's Hobbies. It's a good channel, good guy. Check it out. Now, back to the Eggplane. I chose to do a 0. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it yet. Wait a minute. You told me what you're gonna do to it. Hey, shh. But I thought you said you was gonna... Like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Wait a minute. I got a recording of the whole thing.
Yeah, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this Zero Fighter Eggplane.
See? I told you. Why are you secretly recording me? That's a body cam. You know what? Never mind. Like the police. Anyway. Yeah, we're gonna do the Zero Fighter Eggplane. And the next video I will show my finished Eggplane. So stay tuned. Yeah.